Hello, this is an unboxing and brief review of the Artist Guitars Spiritus 7-string guitar, which I just ordered. Now keep in mind, I ordered it as a customer returned factory second. So that means at the factory they said, yeah, there's something wrong with this. Sent it to the customer and the customer said, yeah, there's something wrong with this. So I got a good discount on it, but of course you're taking a risk when you do that. See, it comes with a lead just like all my other Artist guitars. It comes with 2 Allen keys, one for the truss rod and one for the string saddles. So the box is pretty beaten up, and all it's got is some bubble wrap around it which does nothing. You saw the piece of foam that goes around the neck was smashed in half. So, there's a bit of foam on the 3-way selector switch, just to stop that from getting smashed off, I suppose. Whenever I watch myself back on a video using a knife or something sharp, I think, gee, I have pretty bad technique using sharp things. I'm always like pointing it at myself, aren't I? Yeah, so they put paper around the strings and they put plastic on the pickups, even though, some customers already gotten it. So looking at it, when I first got it out the box, I thought it looked pretty good, Now notice near the headstock there's a scarf joint. You can see it just there. So the neck has a scarf joint, so it's not just one piece of wood all the way up to the head. Now the first thing I noticed about this guitar is the neck position pickup is a bit wonky. See those 2 black bobbins? They're supposed to be like really flush with each other. They're supposed to be like on the same angle, and I don't know if you can see it, but they're not, they look like sort of like they're just being held together by that ribbon. See how wonky it is? The bridge pickup's fine, but I really wanted to use the neck pickup. That's the important one. And now look at the neck pickup. Look at how the strings don't all line up over the magnets. That's not ideal. Okay, so I'm going to give you some sound tests of the guitar. Keep in mind, my fingers got cut on a router bit that I picked up. It was really sharp and I didn't realize how sharp it was. So my playing is going to be crap. Yeah, it's not properly earthed. It's supposed to be earthed to the bridge, which then, and if the bridge is earthed, then the strings that makes the strings earthed. But you notice I touch the strings, I still get buzz. Touch the screw on the pickup ring, and the buzz disappears. So clearly, that's something I'll have to fix. This pickup in the neck position, it's not that it sounds like there's something wrong with it. It's not that it sounds like there's something wrong with it. It looks like it's been swung around and whacked on something a few times. Like, I can see a loose bit of pickup wire, which means if anything was to get in that little gap there, that could break the pickup. Okay, the 7-string pickups just arrived. The box isn't as badly beaten up this time as it was with the P90s. Came with a pick. That's the neck pickup there with the grey cord. And that's the bridge pickup. Now the bridge pickup has much higher resistance. It came with some mounting screws and springs. And I also got a push-pull pot so that I can split those coils. So that'll be the tone pot. And pulling it out will get you the single coil sound. See, when you've got 4 wires coming out, that means you can split the humbucker. If it's only 2 wires, then you can't split it. And here I am doing all the soldering. Now this took ages, and in my cold reptilian haste, some of my solder joints were a little bit weak, and they fell apart when I was trying to test the sound, and then I was all confused about how it worked, because it should have been right, but it had fallen apart. And then I fixed it. Then I put it back together, and then one solder joint touched another solder joint that it shouldn't have touched, and it messed up again. Everything sounded the same, no matter what I did with the switches. But then finally I figured it out. I'd put hot glue on everything to hold it in place so that it wouldn't bust open. Yeah, so I spent 4 hours. I was out here till midnight doing the soldering. Bridge position humbucking. Bridge position single coil. Middle position single coil. Middle position humbucking. Neck humbucking. Neck single coil. Neck single coil. Neck humbucking. Middle humbucking. Middle single. Bridge single. Bridge humbucking. Bridge humbucking. Bridge single. Middle single. Next single, middle single, middle humbucking, bridge humbucking, bridge single.